Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at a stock request, Pheton Holdings, and this is quite a short chart history, so this chart really needs to prove itself. The reliability of these setups is lower than in most other stocks that I'm covering due to the fact that we have only three waves up in this uptrend that has started in around February, the end of February. But while keeping in mind that we have the risk of going directly lower here, since we only have three waves up and make even new all-time lows, we can track two scenarios with mindfulness and carefulness to the upside. The first being the white scenario, in which we have five waves up in a wave 1 and then a wave 2, and then in the third wave we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, with a fourth and a fifth to come and take us to new all-time highs. Now, another possibility is that this third wave is not actually yet finished and it would extend a bit longer, where this wave 1 ended here and the wave 2 here. But the extensions suggest that while it's not the 100% the ideal target of 138.2% extension, it didn't quite reach it, but it got very, very close. I would say that this wave 3 has fulfilled enough to prove itself. And as well, there's also the case that the RSI suggests that this wave 1 ended here rather than down here. Now, within this white scenario, we do have the white support zone from $15.7 down to $10.65. And we didn't quite reach it with this first move down, but as you know, in the fourth wave we expect either a three-wave correction or a five-wave correction in a triangle. Okay? And so far we only have one wave down. We are tracking the resistance zone that's up to $20.7 in wave B, and it seems that we have completed the first wave here, and then the wave B, and then the C that should take us higher before we head into the support zone for this wave 4. Keep in mind this doesn't have to happen, but in the end you maybe shouldn't enter the trade anyway if we don't actually get to the support zone to reach the risk-reward ratio that we are chasing. And then I also want to mention the yellow scenario, in which we only formed a three-wave move, ABC, in wave 1, and then that suggests that we would also only form a three-wave move in the third wave, in A, B, C. As it could have already completed, and then we would track a much larger support zone for this entire third wave, from 23.6% Fibonacci retracement down to 61.8%, so from $13.25 down to around $5.7. Now, both of these remain valid. This is quite a higher risk than normal chart. It's not the 1-2 setup. 1-2 setups are the most reliable. This is still an opportunity to enter. You do have the support zones, and this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. I'll do my best to do that, and I guess I'll see you in the next one, or at least I hope so. Bye bye.